Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. So I'm always cooking these healthy meals and healthy this, healthy that. Every now and then you need a really good pasta dish. At least I do. I love me some pasta. I try to limit how much I eat of it. But today I'm making you one of my new little favorites, kind of smorgasbord of stuff. So it's called baked pasta. And I'm gonna use Sicilian sausage. Now you can use regular sausage, but I'm always trying to keep us healthy here at Allie in the Valley, right? So I'm using chicken Sicilian sausage, okay? So instead of the pork and all that, I'm gonna use chicken. So basically, it's sausage with pasta, and since it's fall time, I decided to get some very cute colored fall pasta with some broccoli, garlic, sage, basil, some cheese on top, salt and pepper, red crushed peppers. You put it all together, put it in the oven, and then you have yourself an amazing, tasty, cheesy baked pasta. Let's get there. All right? So first things first, I am going to cook the sausage in the skillet, on top of the skillet oven top, and doing that, then at the end, we'll put everything into the oven to melt and bubble down. So I'm gonna get this on the stove right quick. Also, at the same time, I am going to start my pasta water so the pasta can start cooking. All right, everything's on. Let's get a little bit of olive oil in the skillet. To cook our chicken Sicilian sausage. Now, like I said, you can use traditional, and see, it's so funny because when they come in these casings, you just take your fingers and squeeze it all out, you know? Simple as that. I mean, you can cut them too, but it takes more time. It's a little messier, and I love getting my hands all messy. So we're gonna get these all browned. Brown up the meat, then we'll put some garlic and some sage, and we'll just build from here. And everything is going in this cast iron skillet. Now, I've told you this before in Allie in the Valley. If you ain't got a cast iron skillet, go get them. You can get them at Home Goods, you can get them at Costco, you can get them everywhere. Bed Bath & Beyond, Macy's, but everybody needs a good cast iron skillet. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my pasta in the boiling water next door to the sausage. You see how the sausage is starting to brown? Oops, I dropped some pasta, but anyway. Going in there. All right. Get that pasta going. Okay. Get this sausage so it's not sticking at the bottom. So we're gonna let the pasta cook to al dente. Then I'm gonna add the broccoli to that pasta. I'm gonna add garlic and sage, and then it's all gonna wind up in this yummy pot over here. All right, now, so I'm not messing up pots and adding, I'm just gonna put the broccoli in the pot with the pasta water to cook right quick. I'm not gonna cook it long, but hey, I got water. Pasta's in there, why not cook your broccoli in there? I'm gonna put my garlic, add my garlic, 6 cloves of garlic I cut up. And this is sage and basil from my garden. Add it, those are the greens. Because I did say this is a baked pasta with greens in it, so it's sage and basil. Okay, do a little salt. Red crushed pepper. And then I'm gonna put a little half and half in here to give some thickness. You can use regular milk too, but half and half is just a little thicker, a little smoother. I did say this was a pasta dish, so yeah. I'm doing like a half a cup of half and half. Mix it all up. Get all the bits and pieces. I'm gonna start adding pasta and broccoli. You don't want to overcook it. And turn it off. Medium low. I have a spoon that drains the water off. You can get a little bit of the water in there, but you don't want too much of it. Start adding everything into my one pot. Now, after I put the cheese on top, it's gonna go in the oven on 375 for like 15, 20 minutes. Probably just like 15 minutes. And then this is gonna go in the oven to melt and mix. I think my baked pasta with chicken sausage, sage, basil, cheese is ready. So let's get it out of the oven. And then I'm gonna add some garnishes on it. And let's have an amazing baked pasta. Oh, and broccoli. Oh, look at that. Baked pasta with chicken, sausage, broccoli, I forgot the broccoli, cheese, and yummy sage and basil and cheese. So I'm cutting up some sage to put on top of it to garnish right quick. Look at that. How fabulous and yummy that looks, right? I'm so excited. I don't eat pasta a lot. My kids are gonna be very happy. Then I'm gonna put some sage on top and a little olive oil. You don't have to, but a little olive oil just to garnish. You know how you put a little olive oil in your pasta? If you want some more cheese, you can. Just some more cheese. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. It's gonna be hot though. Okay? Forget about it. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is a bomb. You better make this. This is better than I thought. Oh my God. The sausage, the flavors of the sausage just kicked this very Italian, but fresh, and then the sage and the basil. So good. If you're not growing your own, you can always buy sage and basil in the store. And you can do any herbs you really like, but this has a kick to it with the chili peppers in it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Go ahead. No way. Oh, hot. You know where to get the recipe. AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for being with me one more time with a great, easy weeknight, dinner night, any night, yummy pasta dish. And I do eat pasta and I do eat meat, okay? Just not all the time. Allie in the Valley.